Yang
Just right from the start itself, just allow us to just go through.
So how can you report tidak hamnya di besar?
Ini kalau kena nang ni one more thing. Let me clarify.
Jadi mentua betul kita yang belum sampai. Ini respect kita ni.
We have that kind of respect.
What is there?
Always just one.
We have been waiting for so long. If they are serious enough, they should have sent a message whether yes or no, so that we will understand. Otherwise, there's no seriousness from their side also. But our intention is very clear. Just want to give instructions. Violation of 142 in itself is, if there is more than people should say. So we are going just three of us. Just MLAs are going. Just MLAs are going. Our intention
dialogue is always important, sir. Yes, sir.
That is more adu south check.
Yes.
Sa kalau clear. Inray namar mo tiyong magalong kita.
We try to
at least let us go through. Just go through and we'll come back here. So what is there?
We appeal to your sense of leadership, sir. Please help us, sir. We appeal to your sense of leadership. You have been patient with us.
As a public
You have been
representative, I'm
patient
talking
with
as
us.
a citizen of
Please,
this
sir.
country. I have every right.
Citizen of this country,
I have every right.
one citizen to another citizen.
And I'm not taking everyone. We are going
guarantee, sir.
We are guaranteed. See, they are
come
there.
along,
They are there. They are there. See, they are there. I'm going alone.
Vested interest.
I'm alone. Just three of us.